is one of the most important materials that is being used in the construction industry. There are three main types of lime that we need to know. The first one is limestone, also known as calcium carbonate. The second one is calcium oxide, which is quicklime. And the third one is calcium hydroxide, which is slaked lime. Calcium carbonate or limestone usually occurs naturally in various forms and is being used to produce quicklime. The process of converting calcium carbonate to quicklime is known as lime burning process. In this process, calcium carbonate is being thermally decomposed under high temperature, and it involves two stages. The next type of lime is known as slaked lime that is produced from quicklime or calcium oxide. The process of converting quicklime to slaked lime is called slaking. Slaking can be carried out in three different conditions. The first one is wet slaking that will produce lime hydrate slurry. The second one is dry slaking that will produce calcium hydroxide in the form of dry powder. And the third one is lime hydrate from calcium carbide, which will produce calcium hydroxide as a byproduct. For steam-hardened construction materials, they involve large quantities of quicklime that are being used in the manufacture of sand lime bricks and aerated concrete blocks. There are various applications of lime in the industries. For example, limestone is used as rubble for roads and railway tracks and as additives for mortar and concrete. Quicklime is used in the iron and steel industry to remove sulfur and phosphorus, while lime hydrate is being used to manufacture whitewash and wollastonite.
Portland cement is made up of Portland cement clinkers and gypsum, and it will be producing tricalcium silicate. Portland cement clinkers is made up of three raw materials, which are limestone, clay, and also marl. Tricalcium silicate is the major constituent of Portland cement, so we need to make sure that tricalcium silicate production is at higher amount. We need to consider two things, which is the first one, the mixing ratios of raw materials should be in appropriate way, and the adjustment of the lime content must be accurate. Why? Because the higher lime content will be producing excessive free lime, and this free lime will be reacted with calcium hydroxide and also magnesium hydroxide, and it will taken up more spaces than the tricalcium silicate. So there are four factors in defining the raw materials. The first one is silicate modulus, alumina modulus, hydraulic modulus, the raw material itself. There are two processes that can be used in order to produce Portland cement. The first one is wet process, the second one is dry process. Portland cement is oftenly used as a binder in concrete, and it is also used to bond together bricks and building blocks. The next one, we have slag cement. Slag cement is made up of Portland cement clinkers and more than 30% of foundry sand. Slag cement has lower heat of hydration than Portland cement, and slag cement also possess higher chemical resistance. Pozzolan cement is made up of pozzolan, cement clinkers, and also gypsum. Alumina cement is made up of calcium oxide and aluminium oxide compound. Asbestos cement is fiber-like cement, and it is often regarded as application rather than a cement because it is a reinforced cement. Last but not least, we have miscellaneous cement. It is subdivided into three parts. Expanding cement, the mixture of Portland cement with sulfate and also aluminate. The second one, we have white cement. It is obviously white in color, and this is a low iron oxide of Portland cement. The last one, we have Sora cement. Sora cement is made up of magnesium oxide and also magnesium salt.
Okay guys, in this subtopic, we are going to talk about gypsum. There are three gypsums: natural gypsum, gas desulfurization gypsum, and also phosphogypsum. Well, actually, the calcium sulfate undergoes three modifications to produce these gypsums. One, the natural gypsum, which is a calcium sulfate with 2 molecules of water. And the hemihydride, calcium sulfate with half molecule of water. Actually, hemihydride exists in two forms, which is alpha and beta form. We also talk about the differences of the alpha and beta forms in this topic. Next, the anhydride, the calcium sulfate without a molecule of water. In the construction material, we use only two hardenable modification, which is the anhydride and hemihydride. Alright, also, other than that, in this topic also we are going to talk about coarse ceramic product. As we know, the ceramic is non-metallic compound that produced by sintering the substances at very high temperature. For example, bricks, roofing tiles, and also the cable cover. Next, in this topic also we focus on the expanded product. Expanded products are the inorganic materials with closed pore structure and low density, which will exhibit good insulation properties. For example, foam glass. Foam glass is widely used in construction industry because it is anti-corrosive, fireproof, and thermal resistance. The example of application in expanded products are lightweight concrete, insulation concrete, and also road building. I think that's all from our group. Thank you so much.